guys, this is Enza with enzasbargains.com, and I feel so awkward. I am not where I am supposed to be at this moment. That is true. I am doing this video for YouTube just for a sole purpose to see if there are people out there that want to see my crafts here on YouTube as well. So if you have came across any of my crafts, you probably have seen them on TikTok, and that's where I spent most of my time. So I have spent probably the last 9 months or so sharing DIY crafts and Cricut creations with my Cricut Explore Air, my Cricut Maker, all on TikTok. And for a while, I have had my TikTok amazing community ask me if I have a YouTube channel. And I do for my blog, where I blog a lot about family and entertainment, but I haven't put tons of my crafts out there on YouTube. And I know with those 60-second clips that those tutorials can go by really fast. So I wanted to share with all of you guys my top 9 favorite Cricut products that I love to use. And I shared these on TikTok, and I just wanted to introduce them to you guys here on YouTube. So let me go ahead and just jump right at it and show you those 2 videos. And toward the end of this, I'm also going to show you guys a couple of my most popular TikTok craft videos that I've posted. Okay, here we go. I'm so excited. A little nervous. I don't belong here. Okay, so let's go ahead and start part 1 of my favorite TikTok products. Hi guys, this is part 1 of my favorite Cricut tools that I use when I'm using my Cricut Maker or Cricut Explore Air 2. First thing is my blue and green mat. You need these for either machines, and the blue mat is for paper cardstock, green mat is for heat transfer vinyl, iron-on or regular vinyl. My next favorite tool is right over here. This is a rotary cutter. It allows me to save all my extra scraps, allows me to cut fabric right on my mat. I just go wheel, wheel, and it's done. You also have saw me use this in my reverse canvas videos. My next favorite tool right here is the weeder. It looks like a little dental pick right here. Don't use it on your teeth. I wouldn't suggest it, but it allows you to weed your vinyl off of the transfer paper. And my next favorite tool, use it for almost every single project right here, is my little scraper. And I scrape this onto my mat so that it stays on really good, so that I get a nice clean cut, and also allows me, when I'm pulling it off the mat, I use this nice little tool all of the time. So tell me what your guys' favorite tools are, and wait for part. Hi guys. Okay, so there you go. So those are the tools that I feel like if you're getting started with Cricut for the first time, those are like the must-haves. So you're either most likely going to start with either paper or cardstock. And then, of course, if you go into fabric and some other stuff, then you'll want that. Fun tidbit, I'm getting a sewing machine sent to me here soon. And so I have never used or sewed before, but I'm expecting some fun intro crafts coming soon that are going to have a little bit of sewing be part of it. So let me go ahead and let's watch my second video, because there are more of my favorite products. And so I want you guys, if you're not on TikTok, or if you are and you've seen them, I want you guys to be able to watch them here on the YouTube as well. Yep, I said the YouTube. That's how old I am. Okay, here we go. This is part 2 of my favorite Cricut projects. So if you would like to see more, make sure that you guys give me a like. And here we go. Okay, the next product that I love is right over here. It is the Cricut Genuine Leather, and you can make bows, and you can make earrings, and you could just use your regular cut blade on that one, which I love. My next favorite product is Cricut Infusible Ink Markers, and you guys have seen me color and draw and have my kids color and draw and make adorable t-shirts, coasters, and a whole bunch of stuff. My favorite heat transfer vinyl is glitter. Others will tell you that it is the worst to weed. Don't let them lie. It is the best to put on short shirts. It's the best through the wash, and it is absolutely my favorite, and it's glitter. And last but not least is this tiny mini Easy Press. These are one of those things you didn't even know you needed till you had it. So if you wanted to make shoes or earrings or get like the little sleeves, this is what you want right over here. Tell me your favorite product below. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. This is part 2 of my favorite Shush. Okay, guys, so there you go. Those are my top 9 favorite Cricut accessories right now. And I want to know if you guys have a favorite one And also, if you want to see more of me in the YouTube space and you want to see me do a step-by-step craft, leave me a comment below and I will be sure to reply to you guys. I love you guys so much, and here I am. Just put myself out there on the YouTube. You guys have an awesome day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring the little bell. That's what all of those popular YouTube people say. I know I'm not one of them, but I'm true and I'm honest, and here I am. Love you guys. Have a great day.